Tell them what's up.
What's up with y'all boys? Waiting on the light to turn green. You know, we've been here for about 10 minutes. Yeah, there we go.
Where are we going?
Going to a boat ramp. Nigga, take some more TikToks.
Take some more TikToks. Look, they want it, Chase.
Why everybody trying to race me? Gosh. You got some 4Gs on there.
Tell them what we've been up to.
Man, look, boy.
Yeah, I know Chase got a supercharger.
There you go. Nah, it's whenever I, turn the music on. Put that mug down there. I ain't ready for this supercharger. I don't want none of that.
Yeah, y'all hear the whine. Y'all hear the whine. We'll catch you at the boat ramp.
Dom, roll your window down. Oh wait, you can't. No worky, no air. No air, Dom sweat. Look at that truck. Oh yeah, get that truck on camera. Get that truck on camera. God, hey, God, hey. Don't ever go low, boys. Truck's gonna ride like boo boo. You know, I'm fat, so. Ow! Ah! What if the bed bolts come out and the mug goes flying off?
Oh, I'm gonna laugh so hard.
Why are you recording me?
For vlogging purposes. God dang.
Yeah, bro, I just need to go ahead and give me a monster notch. Yeah, bro, I'm selling this shit. I'm gonna be lifting truck. I'm never riding on this road again.
Why not?
Cause, bro, look at these bumps. Oh, bro. None of these cars want to get away from me, bro. They just want to ride me and get right next to me.
Not that bad, is it?
I ain't trying to. Yeah, buddy. Oh. Almost took a wheel off.
Golly, bro.
It's that bad. What is this, east side, bro?
This is north side.
North side now? God, bro. Went from east to north that fast? West side. Wait. West side, east side. No, we don't got no AC right here. We don't got no AC in here right here because Dom broke it.
I broke it.
Yeah, she slammed the door too hard so it stopped working.
Oh, totally.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened. Gonna record me the whole video?
Yep.
Okay.
Big stains.
Know it. And I'm about to go eat looking like this? Oh, God.
Look what happened to Chase today.
Yeah. Hawaiian balls.
Put some intense slow-mo on that. Ah! I wonder how it look if we jump around with all these bumps with the stabilizer. If it'll be bumpy.
Do it. We're about to get away from all though.
Look at his headliner, bro.
Roasting.
Look at his tint. You can't even see through it. It's just a reflection.
Stop roasting. That's 5. We're gonna get that all around.
Oh, heck no.
Yeah, we are. Even
Yeah,
with our window shield.
You can't tint your window shield.
Oh boy. Chase can. Come here, boy. It's my puppy. Give me a ride, please. Alright, bro. I'm gonna figure his house. And I can go eat.
Yep.
With the fam, oh lamb, oh cham, oh bam, oh lamb. Oh.
Give them Give them some words of motivation for the end of the
Alright,
video.
boys. It's money over hoes, and it always will be. Go after your dreams, man. Go after your dreams. Don't let anyone stop you. Do what you want, you know?
We gotta wait on all these cars.
Y'all hear that? You wonder why I got a seatbelt on? I'm too fat for it, bro. Finally, they picking their junk up. It ain't them picking it up though. Someone else, right?
Yeah, that's what we need.
Nah, we want gates around ours so we can throw trees in them.
Alright, damn it, dog.
Alright.
Tell them deuces.
Deuces gang. Deuces gang bang.
Peace.